Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. This week I wrote so many Dollar General cleaning supplies couponing deals that I had to split into 2 deal videos. So here's another 10 cleaning supplies deals that you can do this Saturday, September 16th at Dollar General. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. For today's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you ever tried going out couponing with a friend to introduce them into couponing and to help them out? And how did it go? I would love to hear it down below in the comments. Make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, first off, I just want to say, just because you don't have a coupon for something, if it's something that you need for your family, you can definitely still score an amazing deal on it. You just have to work into a couponing deal with higher value coupons to help lower your out-of-pocket. So for example, we don't have a coupon for these Comet cleaners, but we're going to rock a great deal on it. So grab 3 of the Comet cleaners, 21 ounce size, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, a bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, and 1 Febreze Fabric Refresher. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to an easy $11.66 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Hands down, some of my favorite coupons this week is definitely the Dawn Power Wash and the Gain Power Blast sprays. These are very much rare coupons. Best we get them maybe 2 times a year. So if this is an item that you like to have for your family, I promise you, you're going to want to stock up. Do not let these coupons expire. So if you want to do a quick and easy deal just to get those products, grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, and 1 of the medium Gain fireworks. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10.02 plus tax for a 61% off savings. See what I'm saying? We're paying barely a little bit more than the full retail value of the Gain Power Blast sprays, and all the other items basically end up being free. And for sure, I'm definitely loving the $4 off to Mr. Clean coupon, because not only does it work on the Mr. Clean cleaners, it also works off the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays and the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So this is an awesome opportunity for you to stock up for super cheap. So grab 2 Mr. Clean cleaners for this deal, 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, and 1 medium Gain fireworks. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.95 plus tax for a 61% off savings. Ever since I first started doing my couponing deals almost 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave, I love working in items that we never get coupons for. And a great example is definitely the Borax Detergent Booster. If you've never tried this product, it is an awesome product. It really helps make your laundry detergent work a lot better, and it's really great at getting some stains out. So if you want to stock up on it, grab 2 boxes of the Borax Detergent Boosters. They are $6 each, 2 Mr. Clean cleaners, a Febreze Fabric Refresher, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.65 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, with cold flu cootie season right around the corner, unfortunately, I'm a big believer in stocking up on the disinfectants while we can get them for cheap. And this week, the gallon-sized bottle of Odoban disinfectant is actually on sale. Now, granted, it's only like a 50-cent sale, but if we work into this deal with some higher value coupons, we're going to get a super low out-of-pocket deal. So, grab 1 gallon-sized bottle of the Odoban disinfectant, 1 pack of Bixley razors, 1 tub of the Swiffer heavy duty wet refills, a Febreze fabric refresher, and 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $13.20 plus tax for a 54% off savings. So I wanted to make sure I also added in this deal, you'll see the green bottle of the Odoban disinfectant, but Dollar General also sells the lavender scent in the purple bottle, and I want to say they sell one of the other ones. I don't know if all stores have it or not, but I believe they are all on sale. So if you don't want this original scent, definitely try to grab maybe the lavender scent. It smells so good. I cannot believe we've been so lucky over the last couple weeks that we keep getting these awesome Tide coupons. So if you want to stock up on Tide, this is a fabulous time for you to do it. So grab 1 tub of Tide Pods for $15.95, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $12.15 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, over the next couple weeks, I am definitely going to be trying to put forth an extra effort to make sure I am including couponing deals for cleaning supplies that work in some bathroom cleaning supplies. I don't know why, but I'm always forgetting about the bathroom cleaners. So this week, I wanted to include the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner because I'm truthfully almost out of my upstairs bottle in my bathroom. So grab 1 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners, 2 of the 35 count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, 1 medium game fireworks, and not pictured here, a Febreze plugin. I am so sorry that I forgot to include the image of the Febreze plugin, but you definitely got to make sure you grab it. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.20 plus tax for a 53% off savings. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm a big believer of speaking great coupons into existence. And for today's deal video, I would like to put forth into the couponing universe that I would really appreciate some coupons for Pine Sol. I have several of my couponing friends that are with me and love Pine Sol Cleaner, and I don't know why we almost never get coupons for it. We don't have anything for them this week, but like I said, if you work it into another deal, you can score a great deal. So grab 1 of the $4 size bottles of Pine Sol Cleaner, 2 of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $12.50 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Pine Sol Cleaner. I was really hoping that this $3 off Downy fabric softener coupon was also working on the big bottle of Gain fabric softener like it almost always has in the past. But for some odd reason, this week it does not, but that's okay. We can just grab 1 of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener, 1 small bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95, and 2 Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.91 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, whenever we have these high value air freshener coupons, I'm always so tempted to see what would happen if I worked them all into one couponing deal and see how low of an out of pocket it would go. And this week I was super anxious to do that because we have several really high value air freshener coupons. So for this deal, grab 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a 5 count pack of the Airwick plug-in refills, and 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $8 even plus tax for a fabulous 72% off savings. That's amazing when you consider we had $29 even worth of retail product here, and we're only paying $8 even plus tax out of pocket. I love couponing deals like this. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you to save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week. I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.